You see Kai's cousin?
Yeah. Show that. It's on the camera sitting right there. You can actually show that.
Okay.
Hello, Americans. Another friend, subscribers around the world.
Just had to show you over here. I don't know if you can see that doggy in the back of that truck. But that's Kai's cousin.
Is it his cousin or his brother?
No, it'd be a cousin.
Oh, doesn't he have
or
one? Or
maybe an uncle.
Doesn't he have one of his brothers too?
I don't know. He's got a couple of the line.
The one that he said was worthless.
Yeah.
Dog scared of cows. Cow dog scared of cows.
Isn't that funny?
You see him, he just took and gave him like a piece of meat and we bought him in there. Look at that money.
And he was polite, just like Kai.
Yeah,
he waited until the owner turned his back before he dipped his head to eat it.
Yeah. Let's talk about Kai.
Let's talk about Kai.
What happened?
Last night, somebody let him get sprayed by a skunk at bedtime.
What is that, 5th or 6th time?
Yeah, I can still smell it.
Right about, oh, I don't know what time it was, 9:30 or something.
9:30, yeah. I went out to brush my teeth and heard you hollering. Whew.
And he got nailed, and I don't know if I can smell it on him still out here. Did you smell skunk when you were walking in the door? Because I was wondering if it was just another skunk. I don't even know.
Probably not. It's probably Kai.
Well, I'll tell you, when I walked by the back of the back of the truck here, man, he's definitely
we scrubbed his collar. He wears a leather collar, and we scrubbed his collar, and we use hydrogen peroxide and baking soda.
Yeah, say that again. That's good stuff.
Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda.
That's good
mixed with just a drop of dish soap. Scrub it into him, then rinse him off. But we scrubbed his collar, but his collar is leather, and I think it's holding some smell. Those are yours.
Not mine, man. So,
Oh, he's sat down.
Yeah,
We're gonna get that doggy. I can really see him. Nah, you can't really see him. Just his back. He looks more like.
There he goes. There you go.
He looks more like Coda than he looks like Kai. I don't know.
He's bigger too.
Yeah, he's a little bit bigger.
Dakota, Kai's dad's twice his size.
Yeah. We got the run, thank goodness.
We got the best. Kai picked us.
That doggy there's got a cool black spot on the back of his neck.
So anyway, man, we're up at, actually we're gonna head out just a little bit later than we planned. We've been up since 5.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, just the events last night.
Yeah, and it wasn't, and not only did he get sprayed by a skunk for the 5th or 6th time, he also ran in and laid down in the cabin and would not come out right after he got sprayed and ran straight in the cabin. So we got the fans going, some trying to blow out. So we had to go to sleep with that, man. My sinuses were burning.
I think my eyes are red. My left eye was like all bad and closed this morning when I got up.
Man, one time I dozed off and I woke back up about midnight and man, my sinuses were just, man, so skunky. If you've never been sprayed or had a dog sprayed or been close to when a skunk sprays.
It doesn't smell like a skunk.
Yeah, that skunk smell that you smell when you're driving down the road or you're out in the country or wherever. Yeah, it's not, yeah.
Compared to
But when it's fresh on, then it does not smell, man. It is nasty.
Yes.
Cold was coming.
I know.
I better roll my window. Anyways, we're headed up to check the fences, so man, we'll take you along. Why would somebody do that? Look at that pondo right there, man, and they completely ringed that. That tree's dead. Just somebody chopping. Why? 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 Look at this. Jiminy Christmas, dude. Boy, I can smell the skunk on Kai. What a nasty mess. Dude, when they're done with their... Pull over here and get this crap. But when they were done with their fire, or when they were done with their tent, they just burned it. What in the hell? What is wrong with humans? Oh, man, the mornings in the mountains. Smell just reminds me of my grandpa. I love it. You need to climb up there and get that rope, Miss Kitty.
All you gotta do is get a stick.
Oh, get it. I see it. I got a shovel.
Out of the
Yeah, get that carabiner. Smells so good in here. It smells so amazing.
Oh, I thought it smelled like cow poo.
Oh, dude, what's wrong with that? Look at that right there. Mushroom coming up. So this is one of the... This one got changed over from electric to barbed wire. And they did it last year. And so this is, so then you drop them in the winter so that the... Yeah, a lot of, yeah, the cows are definitely in here. But drop these in the winter so that the snow and everything don't smash them down. And then put them back up, you know, pull them, stretch them. And they did a fine job on this one. Was that my dog smell like a skunk?
Yeah.
Or is it you, Miss Kitty?
Not me.
Yeah, there is. That one back there may have been the biggest cow turd I ever did see. It was massive. All right. This is looking beautiful. Just thought I'd show you. This one was, what was that, 5 or 6 years ago?
Yeah. They had
This,
the,
yeah, they ended up doing the...
going up and over, and so you had to either go all the way up and around it or over it.
But this is one of the things that we're out here doing. And then we just had that big windstorm, so we're going and checking because trees falling on our fences is
Not good.
No, that's the main thing we have to contend with, especially on the barbed wire fences. And see, this one, when it fell, man, it laid right across the fence, took out the fence and everything. We could just grab that log and throw it on in. Look at that butter. All right, moving on. I've wanted these poles here. I have wanted since they were freshly cut.
And today's the day, huh?
Today's the day. There's more back there, but I need to get, I'm up here to do the fence job, but never go back empty-handed. Did I say empty? I got the twin berry, like, oh yeah. See, there you go, muskrat. You ain't reaching, got the electric fence right there. There's a muskrat was asking about them twin berries.
One's over here too. Here's one.
These are all grouse berries. There you go. Poisonous, do not eat. These are here are grouse berries. Not strawberries. This here's one of our only, narrowed it down to gotten rid of a lot of our electric fences. We went to barbed wire, but this is one of our electric ones. And normally this one tests out at 7 to 9. And right now, because it's still early in the morning and the solar charger, it's up to 3.1. So we'll swing back by and make sure that it's all good. Just gotta walk. I almost fell on my face. See that? See, we're even practicing social distancing out here.
Stay 6 feet.
Stay 6 feet, please. Stay 6 feet back. Get back. You're 5 feet, 6 feet. Not too sure why they have. Usually these ribbons are something that we need to address. I'm not too sure why they have this on here. To me, it just looks like something's gonna litter up my forest. Well, somebody had to do their duty. What are you looking at, Miss Kitty? Mushrooms? Oh, here, you gotta take this. That's a bull light.
I wouldn't eat it.
No, because it's pretty rough. Oh, look at that.
I never say that correctly, but look at
Right
that.
there, that's poison. That'd take a little trip with me.
I don't think that'd be a trip.
You
come back
did
from.
probably a treat, but yeah.
Come
You
back
know,
from that one.
all mushrooms are edible once.
Look back at that.
Yeah,
That's
look at
not
that.
one.
That's bolite. That's edible. But that one is, we've found, what have we found and picked? Probably half a dozen of them. Yeah. And every one of them, gotta really watch the bolites because of the worms. Find another bolite? Ooh, look at the size of that one. Oh, big old bolite. It's bolite season. It's also lobster season. Here, I'm gonna I'll let you keep. I'll catch back up with you. I'm gonna take these ribbons off.
Okay. You can see the little crick down in there. You can really see it. Here you can. Look at that down through there. You can definitely hear it. Nice shot. He likes walking the fences with us. I like it because he chases the squirrels and scares off any other critters. This here is what you would call a Yankee gate. You can see the post here. And the gate here. You know that this is a real Yankee gate when you can lift this easily. You get onto a tree brace and it looks like a Yankee gate, but you have to use your whole body and have assistance to get it off. That is not a Yankee gate. There he is.
Hey, you think you lost me?
Yeah, I was
I'll
just
never let you get away with this.
showing the difference between a Yankee gate and a tree brace.
Yes. this side too.
I tied this one.
Yeah.
Put these here so on these Yankee gates,
Right here.
at a distance you can see that they're up. Yeah, because the road is, you can't see it from here, but it's up and over there, that way. I just saw a squirrel. I think you can see it though. If we can get up on top of the mountain without the trees, maybe I can show you the air quality today. It's terrible.
I was going to actually talk about
The fires.
got a big one in, I didn't read on it today, but the one outside of McCall, because it was blowing up. But then we had the one up here above the, well, actually it would be down from here, but a couple mountain ranges over as you come in here, probably about, oh, from here probably 8 miles. And there was a small one that I kept watching the site to see what it was doing, and it never even got up over, what was it, 0.10 or something. That's what it was. So I mean, it was small,
a very small fire.
Small fire, and
Natural fire.
I got a hold of, you know, our guy on the fence, our boss for the fence, to let him know, because I mean, it's his. He's got cattle in here.
Yeah.
Just to let him know, and more tags down there. But yeah, nothing ever. Man, I tried to find out stuff from the Forest Service, the site, and then this morning when I got up, it was gone. So guess they got to put out.
That's
so
good.
That's good, man.
That's good.
Thank the good
Gotta
Lord.
watch that stuff.
All right, let's
keep going.
Venture on. Look at that. It's actually a not a shed. My son will be somewhere. But it actually somebody, it could have been a winter kill or something. But you can see how the this is why a lot of times people are, why don't you find more sheds and stuff? And the squirrels chew them up. That was probably a winter kill or something. A little 3-point. Sweet. See how the squirrel's been chewing on.
Oh, big time.
I just looked out there, I was looking at the wood, looking at that toothpick over there.
You can see the chew marks even on the squirrel.
Yeah. So I wonder where the other one is. I should look around actually. But they may have carried it over there. But of course it, oh, look at this right here. Some couple chunks of wood. Pretty rotten in the center there. But that's pretty funny. I found that there just driving from the truck and seen that. And I was like, hey, wait a second here. Crazy. I see somebody dumped a few, actually 3 trees right here. It's not out there. I'm gonna grab these little sticks right there. Stuff they just left there. A little welfare wood looks like to me. Kitty gear. She's right here. Them are currant berries. They're edible, not too tasty. Miss Kitty was eating. That's Miss Kitty's thing. Can I eat it? I still smell some skunk on my dang dog. When we pulled in here, we did smell bear. Well, could have been Bigfoot. Could have been. This is I've talked about it before, but this hill. What's that? Oh,
I mean, squatchy.
Yeah, definitely squatchy. And this hill, where we took you a while back, I was talking about where the, where there's been sightings and stuff, is actually just over this hill. And there's obviously another gully or whatever, but actually it's probably 2 hills over, but that's supposed to be the big sightings area. So if they're over there, I'm sure they're here, man. I'm looking. Definitely a lot of deer track. Somebody set out a barrel of feed over there for deer. Oh, I wish that toothpick was closer to my truck. That's nice. It's a nice path right here, and then we come up here and it opens up in a Mojave Desert for a little bit. Watch for Sasquatch. Oh, we did have. Who was it that wrote us about seeing? Did you see that walk by or whatever? Did you ever write them back?
Yes, I did write them back.
Okay. We had somebody email us.
Garrett and I'm sorry, I can't remember both names. I think it's Garrett.
But wrote us about seeing they're all, man, in frame such and such, and it was on the, what was that video? It was one of the Flatlander videos. So we went to where they had marked it and said, man, there's a figure that goes by. Well, when I I didn't even notice it, and we had to stop it. We had to look at it over and over and over, and we're 95% sure that it was Miss Kitty, and I'd cut the film, and it has, but all you see is this figure go through the trees. It was pretty, it was pretty cool, and I didn't even catch it in editing, but they caught it. Is that chicken in the woods right there? Look at that one right there, Miss Kitty. Wow, it's actually looks like a turkey tail. It's very strange. You better come look at it. I actually gotta have a picture of it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, the edge, it looks like a turkey tail, but I don't.
No, it's coming out of the ground.
Yeah, exactly. You gonna do that?
I'm just touching.
Oh, okay.
To feel
You could
the
flip it.
flexibility of it.
Do you want to flip it, Miss Kitty?
No.
It's pretty cool.
Let it grow.
See how big it gets.
Yeah.
Maybe it's Sasquatch. Human. It's a human track.
I smell skunk.
You smell skunk? I think it's our dog. No, I ain't. Yeah, there he is. He stinks. Dora. Look at that, they got a changed it up on this one. They got what they got? Sorry, dude. Ooh, they got barbed wire. Be careful right here. There's a bunch of barbed wire. Oh, they opened this up right here. Yeah, but why would they leave the dang cows and step in this? So they went over to here and then fenced it off, but why would they leave this across here for the cows to get tangled up in? I don't understand that. That's crazy. Let's show what they did there. This is changed it here. I just don't know why they left that there, because the cows will get tangled up in that. So they did. Yeah, they did a nice job here. Whew, look at that. Poof, 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 dust. That's Miss Kitty's favorite. Yeah, so what they did here, yep, they did good for a watering hole. You can see the cattle tracks there. And they opened it up on that side. I think I'm gonna go check and make sure that that's not. I just can't believe that they'd leave that fence for them cows to get tangled up. But so they've got it blocked here, which is pretty nice for the for the cows to be able to come down and get a drink here, because if not, they had to go
way
yeah,
down,
what's that,
way
probably
up.
2 miles back down, and then
A mile up.
well, they've changed it up here too, so we're gonna see what they're doing there. But up to our next, where it used to be, was probably another 4 miles up that way. So now they've got one in between, so that's good. I'm gonna walk over here and check out the make sure they didn't leave barbed wire on this side. Some nice rounds right there. Got a bunch of grouse berries on that side. I was eating them over there, man. There's some good grouse berries. Oh wow. Yeah, they did good on that.
The twist.
Right.
Oh no, here you can't see them good over here, but over here you can.
Oh, the little, yeah, that's good. They did, cause that's, yeah.
Brilliant.
See, now that was either the Idaho Conservation, or it was when a bunch of the Forest Service was in here too. Well, they did a good job of that. Oh, they put that together nice. Is it, it's not Idaho Conservation League, is it? It comes in.
The ICC?
So yeah, is that?
Oh well, the ones that were up here that started this project was a youth corps.
Oh, Youth Corps, that's what I was thinking.
Right.
They were actually Oregon, and my niece wasn't up here working on that one, but she actually worked for them for a couple seasons. Yeah, she worked her butt off. She loved it. Pretty low. Cows are pretty good though at seeing these out of their eye, because whoa, jeez, I thought we were dead. Thought that was it. We just done got ate. Yes, he did. Muddy. Yeah, you want me to lay down across there so you can walk on me? Let's see here. That's a pretty good mud hole.
I usually go up to my ankle if I try to step on the
I'm gonna see. Oh, if you can hit right there, you're good. No, man, well, you got your stick.
As long as yours.
Do you want to go over this side?
That's what I was kind of wondering. But it's just as bad. You just can't see it because it's not being trampled.
She's got her
with the
brand new,
cows.
her new shoes on. You want to give me your stick and I'll yank you? Right there.
I can't.
Jump that far? Oh gosh, you're gonna splash me. Do you want me to help you somehow?
No.
Do you want to walk up there and just push these bushes?
See that?
Ooh, yeah. You don't want to step there. That's like over there on that one fence with the sinkholes. Okay, now give me your hand or stick. It's pretty solid where my foot is here.
I'm going to grab your hand as I take one step, okay? I'm gonna
With
step
this?
over. Nope.
Nope, you're good. Look at that, Miss Kitty. You're a dang pro, girl. This has got her little marrows that her son picked up for her. Do you heard so? Man,
They were asking 25 cents, so he gave them $1.
Yeah, marrows. And then these here, these are whites, which I've wore for many, many years.
But you can see how wet they got. My toes are already wet.
Oh yeah. But these whites, which I've wore, like I said, for many years. I actually still have my other pair. These sell for just under $400. I got these for $3. Sweet. Steam paintbrushes are just magnificent all over this year. It always remind me of my Grandma Stone. My great-grandma stone. She loved them. We love them too. You love Indian paintbrushes?
Do I what?
Love Indian paintbrushes?
I do.
Oh, look at there's a bunch of. Look at this little cropping of them here. And here, all the way up in there. Amazing. Amazing.
All the way out over there.
Yeah, all the way out.
To your left.
Wow, look at that. Well, I don't remember them being like that up here. That's awesome. Just that wet, wet spring. That one's really red.
It could be a little riper. Wow. Yeah.
Look at that. These ones are still pretty green. We're up at 6,000 feet probably.
And this whole, we showed last year this patch that was stripped clean from the moths of the Douglas fir.
That's right.
moth.
Yeah, if you look back on our videos from a year ago, you had this, we were sitting there, man, we were looking at the caterpillars. And then I went like this, and this whole thing, man, they had ate this whole patch here and all these. Because this is all huckleberries that we see. I forgot about that.
There's some twin bears also.
Oh, yeah, man.
Again, poisonous.
Yes, poisonous.
Ooh, I smell skunk.
Holy hell, it's my dog. Well, this is a section here that they've changed. It's been changed on our fence. We knew it had. And I love it. So what they ended up doing is opening this up, and the cows can come in here, but it's pretty steep down to the creek here. And they, the fish biologists, which is actually running pretty good right now, but up above, there's a spring that's between here and our highest fence up here. And up above that spring, it just drizzles out. And then all the fish that they've been finding is from here down that way. And the cows, you know, cows can't get down in there, because that's definitely a good bed there. Very good. But you know, no cow's gonna trample through into this. Look at that. See, that's the gravel beds like that, and up underneath there. But them fish, ain't gonna climb that. They're little fellas, man. They ain't salmon. That's nice. Hey, Steve. Hey! Unbelievable.
Totally unbelievable.
Dude,
too.
we are 6 miles from the nearest road. So they pack those in.
Maybe horseback or motorcycle.
Yeah, or whatever,
I
but
don't know.
pack them in and then just throw them out.
Yeah,
And this?
Beautiful
Really?
hill.
Why?
Why? What did I say? Why?
Find golden
No.
nuggets, Miss Kitty. We're on our way to the next fence. Always looking. Ooh, I don't know if I want to be showing stuff on video. Ooh, I see it. Got a tamarack right there, a dead one that we're probably gonna come back for. Is it a lodgepole? Ooh, that is a nice toothpick. Look at that mother. One right up the center. Huckleberries, huckleberries. Ooh, they are on here. Look at that, break time. Look at them, man. Holy moly. I got service right here, dude. We're in the middle of flipping nowhere. There's some more of them twin berries. Going right with the huckleberries. Them are good. We're lower now. Now we're down to about 5,500 feet, maybe. Look at these. Look at that. Is that a dang?
It's hard as a rock. There's another one over here.
I just smell it. That smells good, actually. It smells. I was hoping it was going to be a lobster. Oh, yeah. Got a bunch of lowlights today. What's that? Deer bird got it. Look at all the Huckleberries too. They're flipping everywhere. Everywhere's, man. Well, that is nice, man. No branches. We're gonna get that one. That ain't too far from the road. I can actually dump that to the road. Ouch, boy, watch that, mother. Yeah, that's a nice. Yeah. Lodgepole pine, not a tamarack, but
Still nice.
it's nice, man. I can drop that mother. Yeah, man, I can drop that mother right through there.
Point it to the truck.
Yep, gotta watch it when it goes over the top of this because it'll hop on me. But yeah, we'll get that one for sure.
Run that way.
What's that?
Run that way.
Oh yeah, cut it and then go back. Yeah. Only thing that concerns me is it might
Hang up on that other tree. The branches up top.
It might pull away from that. I don't know. Oh, it's not. No, I think I'd drop. That's not much to catch it.
Yeah.
So I think I could drop it just right down. Boom! Right towards the road. Be a pretty easy and round that mother up.
We actually cut this guy.
Well, I could cut the sections, yeah, and then so that way it don't bounce up.
Right.
Yeah, that's a nice toothpick. I like there's no branches, man.
Yeah,
Let's just round that baby
totally.
up. Yeah, we'll be getting that one. And we'll take you along for that too.
You did a great job for the pickaroo.
Oh yes. 'Tis the season for the pickaroo. Look at this, man. Holy moly. Bring the kids and they can pick huckleberries while we cut firewood. Look at that, man. They are just loaded, dude. Here, Miss Kitty.
Oh, well, thank you.
Look at, man, they're just plump and juicy. Everywhere. They give you so much energy. So good for you. My favorite thing is just to plop my butt down. Me and Miss Kitty will just plop our butts down and just sit. We ain't done doing the fences yet. I actually just seen that wood on the. Miss Kitty, back up. She thought it was a tamarack. Look at those. Crazy. Wasn't a tamarack, but still nice. I like lodgepole too.
Makes a little bit more ash, but
Yeah.
still heats up the house.
Yes, it does.
It's great for kindling.
It's great. Well, and for burning out in the.
Be able to split it.
And well, on our campfire, because the smell, man, it's hard to beat. Oh man, don't tell me that till I get out of the huckleberries. Look at them all, man. How could you say it's over? Holy smokes. What is that hillbilly doing? It's actually a Need one for a lean-to I'm building. All right, Kai, get in. Get in, boy. Smoky out there. This one crazy weird load I got. Alright, so say we finished the fence, or the fish fences for the day. Yeah. And I got my saw with me, so I could whip it out. I don't really feel like getting all that serious about it. But this, what they do at all these, see, they go along the sides. We actually pick up a lot of tamarack that way too, but they have crews come in to thin these out, and they actually come up through here. And they must have, for some reason, skipped this, but over in this area, go through and this actually they did with a machine that came through here, you know, one of those logging machines. Cut this up pretty good. Look at that right there. They did this last year. So all this stuff is dry and cured now for a year. That's pretty dang. Right. I got sidetracked. Squirrel! I was going through without getting too dang serious. Just go around, grab, and kind of put a, you know, I'll saw them up at home, man. And you just pick the stuff up. And we did find, we have our trees that we'll go dump. But one of my things is, man, why cut down the standing trees when it's laying right here? Kind of crazy load. Hey! Yeah, man. I wouldn't call that welfare wood though. But it's close. I guess we could in that. Just gotta throw this in. Miss Kitty's out looking at her toe. I gotta go find the. She's gotta show me her berries. Yeah, what the heck's all over the front of my truck? Right there.
I don't know for sure. Did I tell you that your dog smells like skunk?
Yeah, he does it so bad. We're gonna take him home and give him 3 or 4 baths.
Rip him down again.
Yeah, but then we're kind of planning on doing a mountain junkers video this weekend. I've been saying that, haven't done one, but we're gonna try that. Cause we just scored a bunch of stuff yesterday that we haven't even pulled out, so we'll probably pull it out and then talk about the changes it's going. It's all right. We're waiting 3 days to get our money now or something, but hey, it is what it is, man. So, you have anything else, Miss Kitty?
I don't. It was great to hike today.
Yeah,
it was real nice. Nice to see some mushrooms.
Yeah, probably. That's just 7 or 8 miles, probably. Yeah. So far. So, other than that, man, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Oh, and make sure you get your postcards in for the rock, the Idaho rock.
Idaho Spud Rock, made by Rocket Creations.
That's right, Rocket Creations is where our daughter works. Man, they do some awesome stuff. I need to take my big rock outside and get it at our intro again.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And then, check out the links below, the eBay and the Bonanza and the links for the shirts.
Great way to support the channel.
Yeah, just got a picture of my mom. Sent me a picture of her because we sent her a shirt, one of the shirts for her birthday match. Looks so cute.
She looked awesome in it.
I loved it.
Cute couple you got there on your shirt.
That's right.
Yeah.
So, other than that, man, good Lord willing, and them creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.
See ya.